Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about an opportunity that I absolutely love. It's an affiliate business where you can make between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions. I've been a part of this company for the last 2 years, and I absolutely love it. Number one, because no matter what kind of commission you make in this business, it's a significant commission. It's not a $30 commission or a $20 commission or some low commission. It is what I would call life-changing commissions that you can make in this business. Now, it's called Exitus Elite, and it was founded by a guy called Paul Stevenson. He started this business 10 years ago, and he is still running this business successfully for 10 years now. And all I can say about it is it's a very, very good, solid, good all-around opportunity. I've been in other businesses that weren't run so well, and I've lost money in those businesses. I don't tend to join businesses that I don't believe in anymore. And that business has to prove itself. And that's not to knock any other businesses that are out there. I'm sure there are some really good quality businesses out there that other people promote. I will never trash another person's opportunity in order to get personal gain and new subscribers. So Exitus Elite is my all-around favorite opportunity. It's been, like I said, it's been running for 10 years. What is Exitus Elite all about? Basically, all the products that we sell are all educational based. They're based off of money, mindset, personal development, marketing. That's good for helping you to be able to promote things like Exitus Elite or anything that you do in the future. And all the products will teach you how to build an online business. So in Exitus Elite, these are the types of commissions. Now, these are only income examples. It's not guaranteed. It's all based off of your work ethic and what you put into your business. Now, the cool thing about Exitus Elite is we do have a sales team that can close sales for you. So if you're brand new, all you got to do is get traffic to your business, and they can call the number to get their questions answered. And if they make the sale for you, you get an 80% commission. So if you close the sale yourself, you get 100% of the commission. But that's still pretty cool if you get an 80% commission for doing no work. So now the reason why you get an 80% commission and not a $100% commission is the person who did all the work for you gets 20% of the commission that you make, because it makes sense. They did all the work for you. They should be able to get some kind of a commission. And originally Paul Stevenson was going to make it a 50-50 split. So I'd get 50% of the commission, and the person who did all the work gets 50%. But because Paul Stevenson cares about our success and us to be able to make as much profit as we can in our business, he made it an 80-20 split. Now that's amazing. Now, this is the sales page that you'll see when you come in through my page, and it says right here, let our team close sales for you. Earn a $100 to $2,000 commission daily. Now, I have this phone number blocked out right now because I want you to come through my system first so you can see the video for yourself. It explains everything about Exitus Elite that I'm showing you right now, and it's pretty cool. So we're going to get out of that now. And in Exitus Elite, we have 5 product levels. I came in here at the G1000. So what that means is I can make anywhere between $100 to $250, $100 to $1,000 commissions. That's how much I can make potentially. When I came in here at the G1000, the G100, the G250, and the G500 unlocked for me at no extra cost. I was qualified at those levels. I could start making money at all those levels. Now, in Exitus Elite, we have what's called a one-up compensation plan. So what that means is your first commission sale is passed up to your sponsor. So you'll get pass-up sales from your people building their teams as well. So once you get your first sale, that's what they call the qualifying sale. So that first commission will get passed up to me. But the cool thing about coming in at a higher product level is you can unlock the lower levels at no extra cost. So while, let's say you come in here at the G1000, while you're waiting for to get your first sale at the G1000, you can still make $100, $250, and $500 commissions because these are all unlocked for you and you're automatically qualified at those levels. So you'll get pass-up sales from your team building their team as well. Plus, let's say you came in, you can't afford to come in anywhere except the G1000. Let's say you get qualified finally here at the G100. You make your $100 commission. And let's say you make a G1000 sale because someone comes through your system and they say, hey, I want to make those $1,000 commissions. What's going to happen is you're always going to make the commission that you're qualified for. So you're going to still make your $100 commission, but the remaining $900 that's left over of that commission is going to get passed upline to me because I'm qualified here. Same thing goes if you come in at the G500, whatever is left over will get passed up to me. Same with the 500. So while your team is building their team, you're going to be getting pass-up commissions that same way. So no matter what happens in Exitus Elite, there are many, many ways of making money in this business. And if people just call the number and they close the sale for you, you get 80% commissions. Now, if you close the sale yourself, like I said, you make 100% of the commission. So in Exitus Elite, when you upgrade to the next product level, you only pay the difference for what you already purchased. So when I came in here at the G100, this is how you pay for the product. I paid the $299 admin fee. Now there's an admin fee at each level, and that's how Exitus Elite makes their money. And then it says, important to participate in the Exitus Elite compensation plan, you have to make a product purchase via your sponsor. So you pay for the product by paying me my commission. So now, like I said, when you upgrade to the next product level, you only pay the difference for what you paid in the last product. So if I came in here at the G2000, which will happen eventually because I like to go all in my businesses, or as close to all in as I can possibly afford. So what's going to happen is I'm going to take $299 off the admin fee and $1,000 off the commission that's going to get paid to my sponsor. So instead of coming in at $23.99, I'm only coming in at $1,100 at the G2,000 level. So that's another amazing thing I love about Exitus Elite. It's always looking out for us members and trying to make it as easy as possible to be able to upgrade, to make money, everything. And like I said before, all the products in Exitus Elite are all educational. They're going to help you be able to make more money. And it's also going to teach you how to have the right mindset to be able to do something like this. So that is how the compensation plan works. That's how all the products work. whether you come in at the G1000, the G250, the G500, or the G1000, or the G2000, Exitus Elite has you covered. And the very fact that you can start getting traffic to your business, and you'll be able to call the number. Your prospects can call the number to be able to get sales for you. The sales team can close sales for you, as well as answering questions that your prospects might need, whatever it is. So again, these are just examples of some commissions I have personally made over the years. Is it a G250, a G150 I made? This was at the beginning of the year. I made a $500 commission. That's why I love Exitus Elite, because even at the lower levels, it's still a $100 commission. It's not a small $20 commission or a $30 commission, whatever. The money-making potential in this business is very, very good. And I have always said that Exitus Elite can be a life-changing business. Now, some of the things you're going to get when you become a member of my team is we're going to give you some additional pages that you can use in your marketing. Now, these are all examples of some commissions that you can show your people to show them what's possible in this business. This is an example of a $1,000 commission, $2,000 commission, all kinds of different, things. You can use this in your marketing. And it's just to show your people, before you've made any money, what's possible in this business. I teamed up with a good friend of mine who I've known for years, and we give you permission to give these pages out to your team as well. And this is just an example. And if you go at the very top of this page, we also give you some free ways to promote your business as well. These are classified ad sites. Some of these sites may ask for a fee in order to get more traction to your ads, but there are also free versions on all these places as well, where you can get free stuff to your to promote. And we also provide all the headlines and the ad bodies. This is all ad copy that you can use in your marketing. You can keep them as they are, or you can tweak them to the way you want. And we also have some more ad copy here, detailed suggestions about Exitus Elite, all the bullet points. You get all this stuff, Craigslist scripts, Facebook scripts. You're going to get this page when you become a member of my team. And this is the training page. So if we scroll up, these are all very short videos. Some of them they're between 5 to 9 minutes long, all these. And these are all really good tips on how to become a success in this business. This is from someone who's been in this business for 7 years, and he knows his stuff. Here's some different aspects of Exitus Elite. These are all videos that you can give to people if they have any questions. What is Exitus Elite? Is Exitus Elite a scam? Does Exitus Elite work? When did Exitus Elite start? Everything right here. So, and then we have some other pages here, like how to pay in Exitus Elite. These are step-by-step instructions on how to sign up. This was the page we were just on. It shows you everything on how to join Exitus Elite. So we have that there. We also have how to set up your merchants. In Exitus Elite, we make 100% instant commissions. So and you can set up any payment processor, PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Stripe, whatever it is that you want to use, Venmo, to get your instant commissions. And then there's some more training as you go down here, and then there's these different standalone trainings that you can use for your to learn. So you're gonna get all that stuff and more. I absolutely love Exitus Elite. If you want to, you can call me. I am, or you can call the call center like I showed you. But feel free to call me as well. You've probably seen my phone number flash up a few times throughout the video. This is my YouTube channel. As you can see, I absolutely love Exitus Elite. You can see I have tons of videos on Exitus Elite that I have made over the last 2 years. If I didn't believe in Exitus Elite, I would not have put all this work into building this business. And it's a good thing to just keep putting stuff out there, even if you're not getting results right away. This opportunity is one of the best I've ever been a part of, and I am not going anywhere. I am not joining any other businesses because I absolutely love this business. There are a couple other things that I do promote: Power Lead System and this new platform called Leads Leap. They're just marketing systems that I've used to advertise my business. Those are all my back-end businesses. Exitus Elite is my front-end business. And those are the only 3 businesses that I do. And the reason why that is because I trust them. They've been around for many, many years. They've all proven themselves, and they've always been successful. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. We're coming on almost 18 minutes. I wanted to make this video as short as possible. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Hit the like button if you like the video, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be putting out more content out there. I'm going to be doing a review video on Leads Leap. That's a new platform that I've checked out, and I actually use it as a place to advertise Exitus Elite because there are some advertising components to that opportunity, and it also has a affiliate business built into it as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye.